Hi and thank you for watching. If you're new to this channel, then welcome. But if you're not new, then you probably already know. I love luxury. I love shopping luxury. I don't love spending a whole bunch of money. And I don't love fashion. And I love my few key pieces that I own. If you want a taste of luxury, you can get it without even spending $100. So I have some things to unbox from Saint Laurent. These make amazing presents and I just really want to share. So I ordered these both online and they came, I think it was like second day shipping or something. They were sent in 2 boxes and each one came with the receipt. How bougie is this? Presentation is so important, you know? So this is the receipt. It's in a gift box regardless, but you can choose to have a card with a message. I like to try to give a hint of what I'm opening. Quenched. And it's the same card for both that I purchased. Birthday, milestone, holiday, anything. This is a really good present for someone who loves luxury and you don't know their size and you don't have $5,000 to spend on somebody. Check this out. I'm really excited about this. I just love doing unboxings. This is so exciting. Okay, so inside the box, look at that. Whoa, so fancy. You can't even believe it. Inside here, this is so extra. You guys, the item hopefully is not underwhelming, but this is such extra presentation. My goodness. It comes with a dust bag. Oh, how cute is this? Okay, I'll show you what's inside. This is a coffee cup. It's a Saint Laurent coffee cup. How cute is this? It's black on black, very bendy lid. Hand wash or place lid only in dishwasher. Mug not recommended for use in dishwasher. Soak lid in boiling water with 3 lemon wedges until clean. Wash lid as normal using toothpaste instead of dish soap. I probably won't do any of that. But this is so cute. Can you imagine the Instagram photos you could take with this? How chic you'll look walking around with this. I like to make my own coffee. You actually do save a lot of money, even if you buy luxury cups. I love making my own coffee. The coffee beans I own personally are from Nordstrom and I just think that they're so good. I'm definitely going to do pictures, like try to do photography, Instagram photos with this in it. Also like outfit photos holding this. I think it's just cuter than a throwaway cup. How lovely. Oh, I could not be happier. I saw this on Haley LaRue's Instagram and as soon as she posted it, I literally just like pulled up Saint Laurent. It's a little bit difficult to find on the website, but I got you. I will link it down below. This would be a really lovely gift because it's luxury. The unboxing process is just, it's such an experience. You deserve treats too, by the way. There doesn't have to be an occasion. You can definitely just purchase this for yourself like I did. Love it, love it, love it. And that presentation. Okay, I'm so happy. But let's do it again. I have another item here from Saint Laurent. This looks like a shoe box maybe. It's not shoes. I will show you what's inside. I've never seen anyone with this before, so I'm excited to open it. The same matte sticker. I think I'm gonna cut this out and put this in my bullet journal because that is just too cute. Another dust bag. This is so fun. What? I actually thought this was going to be bigger than this. Oh, this is a water bottle. This is so cute. I didn't think that this would be small. I thought this was going to be a lot bigger because the box was so much bigger. Twist. It's like a screw. Do you care that it has gold hardware? If you want it to match your outfits. This is Sig of Switzerland and this is Saint Laurent. I thought it'd be silly to purchase this. Rinse out daily. It says not to put milk in it. Oh, these are very high maintenance drink accoutrements, but I'm happy to have both. And I just think that it's so funny. I think these both will just look so pretty on Instagram. And I just love the brand and I'll rep it. I don't think that there's a problem with having favorite brands if you vibe well with a certain designer. I think that they work really hard to create an aesthetic. And if it's one that goes with your aesthetic, I think it's okay. You won't catch me spending $900 on a button-up shirt. I really like high street when it comes to clothing. So these are just fun little extra trinkets. I'll be quenched because these are really cute. It's a little excessive how much packaging they give you, but I keep all mine. It's like decor for my closet too, so I'm not throwing this away. I love luxury. You probably do too if you're watching this video. And who has so many thousands of dollars to spend on bags on bags on bags? I truly feel, even if I was like a multi-millionaire, I don't think that I would like so many bags. Like I look at some closets, even on Pinterest, celebrity closets, I think it's a little much. I like to have my very few purses. Like there definitely will be a point where I just quit purchasing bags and just using what I have. I just have a couple more on my wish list, and then I really don't see myself filling my closet with luxury bags. You know what I mean? But that's just me. If that's something you're into, totally cool, especially if you can afford it. But that's just not something that I love. I do love to shop all the time though. So finding little things like this, I just think is really cute, and just filling your life, because you can only use one bag at a time. But to find really cute life pieces, whatever, I just thought it'd be fun to share. And luxury unboxing videos tend to have that like escapism aspect to them, so I just wanted to post a video. I have bag unboxings on my channel as well, and some affordable hauls, and of course makeup. So feel free to tune into any other video. I will see you in my next one, and thank you for watching.